Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Do you want to speak English more naturally when you travel? Do airports make you feel a little nervous? You're not alone. On this channel, stories become your teacher, and we practice with a shadowing technique. That means you listen carefully, then repeat after me, just like my shadow. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English, rather than translating. Today's story has real airport moments, a last-minute text, a busy check-in, security rules, a sudden gate change, and even helping a stranger with a dead phone. You'll pick up useful phrases you can use on your next flight. So relax, listen closely, and repeat every line with me. Today's story is called I Went to the Airport. It's full of simple sentences, clear pronunciation, and practical travel expressions. Stay until the end, and you'll feel your English grow step by step. Are you ready? Let's begin. The message.
My name is Anna. I am 22 years old. I live in a small town with my mother and my little brother. I work in a bookstore. I like my job because I love books. But one rainy morning, my phone buzzed. A message from my best friend, Maya. Anna, please come to the airport today. I need you. 12:45 p.m. Terminal 3. I didn't understand why the airport. She didn't say more. I tried to call her. Her phone was off. I looked at the clock. It was 10 a.m. 2 hours and 45 minutes. Panic or plan? I chose a plan. I put on my jeans. I wore my pink jacket. I took my umbrella. Mom, I'm going to the airport. Maya needs help. Be careful, Anna, Mom said.
The ride.
I took the bus. It was cold and wet. The bus was full. I stood the whole time. I watched the gray sky. I saw planes far away. I breathed in. I breathed out. Step by step, I whispered,
The airport maze.
The airport was big and noisy. People ran with bags. Voices echoed everywhere. I looked for Terminal 3. It took 10 minutes to find it. But Maya was not there. I waited 10 minutes. 15, 20, still no Maya. Near the window, a girl with a suitcase was crying. I walked slowly. Are you okay? I asked. My name is Anna. Can I help you? My name is Sarah, she said. I missed my flight. I don't know what to do. I gave her some water. We talked for a minute. You're kind. Thank you, she said.
Third terminal switch.
My phone rang. It was Maya. Anna, where are you? I'm at Terminal 3. Oh no, I meant Terminal 2. I'm scared. Please come fast. I'm coming now, I said. I waved goodbye to Sarah. I walked quickly to Terminal 2. When I arrived, Maya sat on the floor. She was crying too. Maya, I shouted. She ran to hug me.
The shadow man.
Anna, I didn't know who to call. I think someone is following me. Who? Why? I don't know, she said. On the bus, a man watched me. When I got off, he got off too. We looked around. So many people. So maybe it's nothing, I said. Maybe you're just scared. No, she whispered. That's him. A man with a black cap and a brown coat. Stood near the exit. He looked at his phone. My hands felt cold. Stay here, I said. I'll go talk to him. But he looked at us. and walked away into the crowd.
Ask for help.
We sat in silence. Then I said, "Let's tell airport police." We went to the help desk. "Excuse me, we need assistance. A man has been following my friend. Since the bus and the terminal, can you describe him?" Black cap, brown coat, mid-30s, about 180 centimeters. "Please wait here. We will check the cameras." "Thank you." We felt a little safer. Maya said, "I'm lucky to have you. Next time, please text the correct terminal." I smiled. We both laughed, just a little.
Don't go home.
Something still felt wrong. "Let's go home," Maya said. "We need to be careful," I said. We walked outside. It was still raining. We took a taxi. Through the window, I saw the man again. He watched our taxi. "Anna, he's still there." Maya whispered, "Do you think he will follow us?" "I don't know, but we are not going home." I told the driver, "Sir, please take us to the main city mall, not our home." "Okay," he said, and changed direction. I looked behind. The black car turned after us. "Maya, that car, it's behind us." She looked back. "It's the same man."
Bright and busy.
We reached the mall. It was big and crowded. We went inside quickly. The man parked and followed us. We walked fast. Shoe store, clothing shop. "He's still coming," Maya said. "We must find a guard." We found security. "Sir, a man is following us. Please help." "Can you show me who?" We pointed. The guard walked to the man. "Sir, why are you following them?" "I'm not," he said. "She's my sister," he added, pointing at Maya. "You're lying," Maya shouted. "Please come with us, sir," the guard said. The man tried to run, but 2 more guards stopped him. They called the police. We sat down and waited. A kind lady brought us tea. Maya was shaking. I put my arm around her.
The truth.
The police came. They asked many questions. They checked the mall cameras. After some time, an officer returned. "You were right. He followed you from the airport." "Why?" I asked. "He has your photos on his phone. He has your name and address." Maya looked shocked. "Who is he?" "We are still checking," the officer said. "He might be a private detective. Someone may have paid him." Maya whispered. "No, it can't be him." "Who?" I asked. "My ex-boyfriend. I broke up with him last month. He was angry." "That might be the reason," the officer said. "We will investigate. You are safe now."
Home and meaning.
After some hours, the police let us go. We took another taxi home. The rain was softer now. Maya slept on my shoulder. She looked tired, but peaceful. At home, Mom waited at the door. "Where have you girls been?" "I saw the news." We told her everything. She hugged us both. "You are my brave girls," she said. That night, I couldn't sleep. I thought about the message. The airport, Sarah, the man in the black cap. So many things in one day. But I felt proud. I helped a stranger. I protected my best friend. I stayed calm when I was scared. 1 week later, I heard someone call my name, Anna. It was Sarah, the girl from the airport. I found your bookstore, she said. Thank you for helping me. She moved to our town. She asked, "Can we be friends?" Yes, I smiled. I said, "I'd love that." Sometimes scary things happen. We don't know why. But when we are brave, when we help each other, when we stay kind and calm, good things come back to us. I went to the airport just to help a friend. I found more. I found courage. I found friendship. I found my own strength.
Great job. You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. I went to the airport is not only a travel story, it reminds us that airports are a test of calm and a chance for kindness. Read signs, ask for help, stay where it's bright and busy, and protect each other. Small actions, a clear description, a call to security, a cup of tea for a shaking friend can change a hard day into a safe one. The message is simple. Be prepared, be polite, be brave. When your English is calm and clear, your journey becomes calmer too. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Remember, one page, one story, one step, your English will grow. Keep practicing every day, and you will see a change in yourself. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.